I can't be committed, I'm addicted to the flip. Damn, I gave my life to this shit. I can't be committed, I'm addicted to the flip. Damn, interfering with my bitch. I can't be committed, I'm addicted to the flip. I can't be committed, I'm addicted to the flip. Burning through the money, we done slutted at the shit. I can't be committed, I'm addicted to the flip.
DIGITRAPPIN, bitch, I bet you that I trap all day. I'd like to welcome everybody to the first episode of DIGITRAPPIN TV. In this episode, I want to talk to people about one method of reselling called OA, and that stands for online arbitrage. If you don't know what OA is, that's basically where we get online, buy products online, and resell them back online for profit. It's kind of like the little sister to RA, which is retail arbitrage. And that's where we go to retail stores and buy products that's clearance or below value and basically resell them for profit. Implementing OA into your reselling strategy is something that I think every reseller should be doing because just the convenience of it. I mean, you can do OA while you're on vacation. You can do it on your phone, train, plane, automobile. I'm starting to sound like goddamn green eggs and ham out here. Alright, what I want to do now is actually show y'all a couple of examples of retail arbitrage by dealing with video games, for example. Now, this video game here is called Job Simulator that I want to actually do an example on. Now, this game right here is a PSVR game. It's a rare game, which is why the value of it is so high. As y'all can see here, $127, PlayStation 4, $161, $139. Now what we want to do is actually go to completed listings. Now look at this, brand new. Somebody bought this on November 11th for $399, factory sale. But look at this, brand new. Somebody paid $111 for this. So just imagine this. If I purchased this for $111 and sold it for $399, just look at the profit on it. And you can do this all day long with any product. I mean, even here, $169 brand new. That $399, I mean, come on, you just can't beat that. And like I said, it's all about supply and demand. And as you can see, let's actually look to see how many copies of this game is actually available. There's only 7 items, well really 4 results that's actually listed as of now, and everyone pre-owned. 160 some dollars, 130, 127 is the cheapest that you can buy this game for right now on eBay, brand new or pre-owned. So and yeah, there's no more brand new listings. But just look at that flip, $399. That's online arbitrage. And honestly, I think the best bet for doing this online arbitrage would not be to just resell it on eBay if you purchase it from eBay. I would say the Amazon FBA, because with Amazon, you know how quick stuff flip, you know. And here we go, Job Simulator. And for the video games, as y'all can see, I'm actually looking at rare games. I'm not really looking at, you know, the average Super Mario game that's already out. I'm looking at like rare items. So y'all probably want to implement that into y'all flipping is rare items, you know. But I'm just using games for example because they're easy. Right here, used, this game is selling for $249 on Amazon. Not even one copy, brand new. $249 used. And I guess I'm putting people up on game because right here, $249 for this used, right? Let's go back. $127 used, $138 used, $139 used. I could buy this game right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copies. Ship all 5 copies of these into Amazon. And look how much profit we'll probably be making. We'll be making at least, we could do the calculation, but let's just say that we made a cool 100 off of each of these. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That's $500 right there. And just imagine if they all sold in the same day. Trap all day. Another example I want to show people is another video game I just came across. Now this video game was clearanced and well, not really clearance, I guess you should say liquidated back when Toys R Us was going out of business back in 2017, I believe. So all my flippers that really been flipping, y'all know about that. Or it might have been 2018. But anyway, let me type this in real quick. Now this is a Nintendo Switch video game. We got Street Fighter Ultra for the Switch. Now, this game was selling for like $40 when it first released. Liquidated from Toys R Us, I could have got it for like $26. I came across this game again at Walmart on clearance for $20, but I didn't pop on it. But if you look at this, brand new $119 for this video game. Now let's go to sold listings real quick. If we go to sold listings, brand new, somebody paid $140 for this game, $149 for this game. And the value of an item is basically what somebody's willing to pay for it. So this game is valued at $140 right now. Let me stop and go to the actual listings that's out here now. And look at this, brand new. Somebody got this game listed for $70 plus $4 shipping. Now I could buy this game and hold it. Well, never mind. Let me rephrase that. Looking at this game here, this is actually a UK version. And I know it's probably a little, you know, oh, what's the difference? But it's the US version that we're looking for. I mean, it still plays like the US version, but that's not the one we're looking for. But here we go right here, brand new. We got 1 day left, $56. Now I could buy this game for $56, say I win the bid, put it back online for $149. And you could do this all day long. And we can actually look at Amazon prices. I didn't even try to look at Amazon. So we got a couple used offers for $60 some. But like I said, brand new. Here we go. All right, so looking at Amazon, brand new, this game is selling for $169. That's the lowest offer, and nobody even has this. Well, I take that back. FBA Prime, $199. All right, another free tool that I want to show people that are using help with online arbitrage is this website called typohound.com. And it's probably other websites out there like that. But this website here actually searches for misspelled words on eBay and basically shows it to you based on keywords that you use. So for example, I'm gonna type in Nintendo, and I already got Nintendo typed in here, and I'm gonna actually sniff it. So right here it says it has 90 typos generated from eBay search. So I'm gonna actually click here, and it actually takes me to a page that has all of these misspelled listings. And the benefit of it is that with the words being misspelled, and the benefit of this is with the words being misspelled, it'll be less competition and less views, less eyes on products that you might want to buy. And I mean, you can do this with anything. So Nintendo was just an example that I use just to show y'all how it works. But once again, it's called typohound.com.
Living all this flipper talk, we ain't got a job. Retail arbitrage, if it profit, then we cotch. Drop, ship a pack, never touch it like a boss. Battery on 10%, I'm trapping out the Ross. You can't be a flipper if you never took a loss. I done seen so many that the shit'll make you nauseous.